Welcome to this online webinar. After 25 years of continuous development, it was time to recapture our essence and implement gained expertise and technological developments into a new and improved version of Slim4. To make a version more user-friendly, task-oriented, and accessible for all types of users. A user will mostly be active in the To-Do menu. Here, all actions needed from the user are shown. Slim4 is very task-oriented, which lets the user focus on what needs to be done. The review tasks are split up into 5 different main categories, which can have user-defined subcategories to create a clear navigation and to see which tasks need to be completed. To check the total workload, open Review Progress. Here it is possible to see the total number of articles that still need to be reviewed, and it gives an impression on the level of workload. This can be done based on main category, COVID status, or suppliers. The review progress table gives high-over information about the articles that still need to be reviewed. When looking in the table below, more specific information can be found. Here the 5 main categories are split up into subcategories. These subcategories are then again divided over different task groups, and these task groups contain a selection of certain articles defined by the user. For each task, it is possible to see the total number of articles and the total number of articles that still need to be reviewed. How selections are made will be further explained in the webinar Selections. To focus on a certain group, filters can easily be used. By clicking on the icon next to Filter, different settings can be made. In case only the stocked items need to be reviewed, choose in the first drop-down Stocked Status and in the third drop-down Stocked. Then click on Apply. After activating a filter, it will appear on top of the screen. This makes it easy to see which filters are active, and it simplifies removing them. It is also possible to add more filters. Just click on the icon next to Filter again. Now the active filters will show, which can be altered, and new filters can be added by clicking on the plus. Activating a selection works the same way as activating a filter. Click on the icon next to Selection, find the right selection, and then click on Apply. In the top left corner, an arrow can be found that leads to the dashboard of the current filtered group. The dashboard can also be accessed through the application on your phone for quick and easy support during meetings or presentations. When a group of articles is selected, it is time to review these articles. In this view, the user can quickly review a large list of articles. To enlarge the working screen, fold the menu. The first column shows the different tasks within the selected subcategory and how many articles still need to be reviewed per connecting task. The currently selected task is highlighted. This column can be closed till it's needed again, for example, when changing tasks. The second column shows the list of articles, including the article information. By clicking on an article, the system will track the reviewed articles. The last column shows the article carousel, providing detailed information on the selected article. It also shows the active exceptions. And for every topic in the article carousel, more detailed information is provided. For example, attached to the forecast graph is transactions. Here, the daily transactions are shown and can be excluded when needed, or transactions can be grouped by customer. Seasonality can also be found on the forecast graph. Here, more information is provided about seasonal patterns, while under the header Inventory, the placed purchase orders and the open customer orders can be found. All this additional information will help to explain the exceptions in further detail. Today, the focus has been on the To-Do menu, how a user can review articles, and where additional information about exceptions can be found. As you can see, Slim4 is easy to use and more task-oriented, which makes it effortless to focus on what needs to be done and guide our customers to inventory optimization.